Yeah. And here's a tape looks like of Lorenzo's oil. Was put on the 25th week of 1993.
Beams you, rocks you, loves you, and puts you right in the middle of all the action and adventure you've seen on the screen. Not anyone. If you want to go on the greatest rides, based on the biggest movies, you've got to go to the world's biggest movie studio and greatest theme parks. Universal Studios Hollywood and Universal Studios Florida. The only places on Earth where you can ride the movies.
Also available for MCA Universal Home Video.
He's used to taking what isn't his.
He didn't bring us the money, he brought us a bag of trash!
Money's no good to you, Frank. You try and run with it, I'll be there.
She's used to getting whatever she wants.
Where'd you meet her? Mexico?
You don't know what you're getting yourself into.
Now, for the first time, they both want what they can't have.
It's just his money you took. No! He knows, Frank.
You got $500,000 of my money.
Let's run, Frank. Let's use the money and go far, far away.
I can't do that.
If you start your own private war, you're going to be the first casualty.
Will you try and kill you again?
Do it to them before they do it to you.
They had a passion so strong, murder was the only way out.
Time is running out for you.
Jeff Fahey, Mia Sara, Ben Gazzara, Blindsided.
Oh, okay, class, settle down now. Today's lesson is on modern family trends of the 90s. Now, what does the family of the 90s want? Janie?
A dog?
A dog. Good. Billy?
A nice no-load mutual fund?
Well, Billy, I was thinking more along the lines of basic necessities, you know, home, good health is very important. But most important is, of course, a video library. Yes, building a library of favorite videos has become an important trend for the family of the 90s. Now, how do you build a home video library? Good question. One popular method is to buy previously viewed cassettes. Right. Top movies at low affordable prices that you can add to your home video library. Then you can watch whatever you want to watch, whenever you want to watch it.
Hey, Billy, what's
Hey, quiet. Thank you so much, class. Any questions now on buying previously viewed cassettes? Okay, then, our next topic will be discipline in the 90s. In my day, I'll tell you, you never spoke until you were spoken to.
When did that change?
I don't believe I was speaking to you, Janie.
Ask your video dealer about purchasing a previously viewed copy of Lorenzo's Oil while supplies last.
Hi, I'm Nick Nolte.
And I'm Susan Sarandon.
Our new film, Lorenzo's Oil, chronicles Augusto and Michaela Adoni's courageous struggle to save their son's life.
And now the Adonis are writing the second chapter in their miraculous story. It's called The Myelin Project, and it's providing real hope to thousands suffering from diseases such as multiple sclerosis. Won't you please give your generous support to this life-saving cause by calling 1-800-8-MYELIN. Thank you.